In this video, we're going to talk about assistance systems in a Macan Electric and how you adjust or change them. One way is using the assistance system stalk here. You can cycle through adaptive cruise control, speed limiter, hill control, or turn them off. The second way to get to those adjustments for your assistance systems is through car. Select the car icon and the assistance tab. Now here you can see we're in adaptive cruise control and we have these three options. Now this is actually InnoDrive with adaptive cruise control that gives you these three options. Speed limit, and that's where it basically will adjust the speed limit based on what it sees. The camera will look at the speed limit sign, identify it, and change your speed. The route, now this is going to look at the curvature of the road, topography, those types of things, and adjust the speed accordingly. And then active lane keeping. Basically, this is going to work to keep your vehicle in the middle of the lane. If you switch it, these options will change. Like say, for instance, we'll move to the limiter, and you'll notice now it's just observing the speed limits here. So the difference between a cruise control and a limiter. Cruise control will keep you at a certain speed based on your settings, and the limiter will keep you from going past a certain speed. You can have it use the camera to look at the speed limit sign and limit you to the speed limit. Or you can set your own speed limits by unchecking this and using the assistance system stalk to set that limit. Now moving on to hill control. Hill control is when you are going down a steep descent, and it will limit the speed in which you go down and can be controlled in much the same way as a cruise control. And then finally, off. Okay, now let's look at some additional adjustments where you can fine-tune some of these assistance systems. Select additional functions. Okay, with speed warning, what's going to happen is it's going to give a little red highlight if you've exceeded the detected speed limit for that particular road. And you can also have an acoustic warning with that as well. The next here is warning brake assist, and this will intervene if there's an imminent collision risk and assist you in slowing down or stopping the vehicle. We also have lane keep assist. Now, lane keep assist is not to be confused with active lane keeping in InnoDrive. Active lane keeping will do its best to keep the car in the center of the lane. Lane keep assist will do corrective steering to keep you from departing your lane. In addition to lane keep assist, the lane departure warning will warn you in case you are exiting your lane. It's an audible warning. You can also change the volume of the lane departure warning to loud, quiet, or off entirely. Next is the emergency stop function. Now what this does is it will attempt to stop the car if you've had some sort of medical event and have become unresponsive. Next we have proactive occupant protection, and this will activate if the vehicle recognizes some sort of critical driving situation. So it may tighten your seatbelt a little bit, and a few other things may change in the vehicle. Next, we have intersection assist, and so if you're sitting in an intersection, you'll get a warning if there are vehicles crossing in front of you. You also have distance warning, and so if there is a vehicle in front of you that is too close, you'll get a warning here in the instrument cluster. You also have lane change and turn assist, and so what this is going to be is over in your mirror, you have these three dots in addition to the communication lighting. And this will pick up a vehicle that's in your blind spot. So if you can't see it, it will show up here with a visual warning. The next two here are brake recommendations and distraction warning. Brake recommendations basically will pop up if you've been driving for a long period of time or the vehicle starts to notice signs of fatigue. Distraction warning will give you a warning if the vehicle recognizes that your attention is no longer on the road. You now can use and configure the assistance systems in your new Macan Electric.